What's up, guys? Welcome back to Hollywood Live.
Yeah. Nah, what you mean? Yeah, nah, but what we about to do, Gabby? Y'all know G Baby. Been access granted. Here you go. G Baby's back in full effect. What's going down, Gabby?
We're about to hit up the waterbikes and Woodlands.
It's gonna be lit. It's super hot though, so we'll see how that goes. It's gonna be a sweaty day, I know that much, but stay tuned.
Wow, should be fun.
Yeah, I can't lie, it's so hot out here. We had to close the sunroof because it's melting. But we're about to get on this lake, show y'all what this water bike life is about. And as usual, we're in the car. But stay tuned. Oh, Gabby is officially fully vaccinated. What's up, G Baby?
Only half.
Oh, I thought you got the second one.
No, I just got the first one done today.
Oh, okay. Well, how do you feel?
I mean, I feel good. Nicholas drugged me out here. I was yawning the whole way to his house.
Hey, that's not my fault.
Let me sleep. No. Turn down for what? Let's go.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's the energy we need. Yeah, for anybody that is new to the channel, G Baby is definitely one of the infamous cousins that everybody in the family knows. You can't be in the family unless you know who G Baby is, ain't that right?
That's right.
And I guarantee you gonna see some in the comments that's gonna be like, yeah, G Baby is definitely one of the most well-known. As usual, this is the worst thing about Houston. All this traffic. You can't even get on the freeway. Yeah, I hit the brakes. All this traffic, we can't even get on the freeway. This is wild, man. Look at that. Can't even get on the freeway. Look at that, red. Cali is bad, but this is bad too. Just figured y'all wanna know. This is where we live. That's what you see out here. So we riding through the Woodlands right now. That's why you see all these trees everywhere. We're pretty much about a mile away from the lake, so just wait till we get there. It's gonna be lit. Ain't that right, Gabby?
Litty lit.
We just had a G Baby moment. But now we out here in the Woodlands, finally at the lake. See what's about to go down. Show y'all. What? Oh, these are the bikes. Oh, look at the ducks and everything. Wait, where? How do you pay for it? Oh, it's right there. All right, so we decided to go to the bathroom first because it's gonna be a little while. So, what was that now? What was that?
I said I'm not trying to fall in the water because I know this fool ain't gonna save me. He's gonna sit there and watch me drown, probably videotape me and everything.
I'm not a hero. I'm not a hero.
You heard it first, guys.
I mean, I'm somebody's hero. You know, you can't save everybody.
You're gonna sit there and
Some
laugh.
people just live an ungrateful lifestyle.
You're gonna sit
So,
there and laugh.
I ain't say I was gonna laugh now, but don't save her. She don't wanna be saved. Well, it looks like we're here. Woo! We got the bikes. Huh? Yeah. Well, I don't know. We're gonna see. Is this a workout? I know opening this window is. No, that's fine. I mean, just yeah. She's really like not that great, but. So what do you think is like the best part of this?
The water bikes are cool because you don't really get tired.
Oh, really?
Besides your knees, but yeah, you don't get wet like at all.
Good.
Really?
Yeah.
I should have brought my gimbal. I was thinking I might actually drop it into the water or something. So.
Oh, there's a little like compartment in the front that you can put your stuff.
I have them like
Alright,
slides, kind of. Will those fall off, or should I just?
I don't know. They'll probably float too.
Are you sure? How deep is the water?
Out on the lake, it's pretty deep. It's like maybe 20 feet deep. Might be deeper.
What's your name?
Dylan.
Dylan. Okay, cool. Dylan, but you're on YouTube. Say what's up. It's kind of crazy. Asked this man if there was alligators or anything, and he goes, "Yeah, it's just snakes." And I was like, "Oh, okay, it's just snakes." I guess we don't have anything to worry about. Am I doing this wrong? Did I miss something? Or like, why do I have 3 straps but only 2? Right. Stop being scared.
I wouldn't be able to fit in right here, but you can just like throw the straps over the handlebars and just like swing it.
She's so scared.
I'm not trying to drop my phone.
Oh, you can just go ahead and hop on whenever you're ready.
I like those shoes. If you keep on contemplating falling, you're probably gonna fall in.
Alright, this thing's going forwards and backwards. This is where you just keep it more 45-degree angle. So you just make those.
Ooh, kicked her off. There you go. What? Make that face again. Have you done anything cool on here?
No, I haven't. My boss does though. He like jumps on it.
Really? Like a wheelie or something?
Well, no, because you can like jump.
Oh, really? Gabby, hold up. This thing doesn't move as fast as I thought it would. Oh yeah, this is definitely a workout. What you thinking? Man, you'd probably be faster riding a canoe. This is actually a slow ride. What are you thinking? Oh man, this is a workout for real. You hope what? Well, this is how this works. Got a little compartment right here on the front. Open up. Huh? You also can't make sharp turns because it won't go anywhere. So that's another thing. Hey, I'm gonna change my straps on these shoes because it's kind of hard. Yo, this is crazy. Like, hey, minorities, get it together. Let's get us a family together. Okay, yeah, do that, Gabby. let's get together and start doing it. Okay. Yo ho ho ho. Yo ho ho ho. Look, they training for the Olympics or something. He's talking about catch up. Oh, I gotta go to the bathroom again. We gotta go back to Starbucks. Gabby, where you at, man? Hold on, I'm about to catch up. It don't even matter how fast I pedal. I can pedal so hard and not get nowhere. Dang. Gabby, what's up? Slow down, huh? Why my boat ain't working? Forget it, we just gonna do this. We riding like it's a jet ski. Huh? Come on. Y'all know how hot it is? Y'all wanna say what's up to my YouTube channel? Yeah, y'all are killing it though. I couldn't do that. I'd be in the water already.
I fell off 8 times yesterday.
Oh yeah? That sounds like it'd be a good idea right now. I might just voluntarily jump off. Alright, Gabby, so how you feeling?
Feeling good, feeling great.
Yeah?
It's a little scary at first, but you know, I'm out here beating Nicholas. He out here struggling.
I'm not struggling.
Gotta show him who's boss.
Hey man, Hollywood don't struggle. How does it work? Show us the moves. What you got? Pull on the back part. That little back part is where the propeller is. Hold on, you going too fast for me. I'm trying to catch up. Oh yeah, your boat goes faster than mine naturally.
He gave me the good boat.
I see. Oh man, look, they are literally out here training for the Olympics. Like, this is crazy. They can't just be training for no reason. Not just out here paddling for fun. Y'all, it is hot. I'm gonna show y'all how dehydrated I probably look. Just from being out here, I'm like 30 pounds less. You lose your whole COVID weight in one session. Thank you, Gabby. You felt what?
Good. Nothing really right now. I feel great.
Man.
Newly vaccinated.
Yeah?
Didn't even feel anything.
What'd you say for all the people who's not vaccinated?
I mean, I waited. Most of my family got it, so I said it's about time.
Yeah.
So far, so good.
I might go do it too.
Check on me in a couple of days, though.
Yeah?
Yeah.
A couple of days after the video drop.
Yep.
Oh man, so water biking. Honestly, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I would rather go paddle boat or like do a kayak. This is a lot more work than I thought.
Thanks to Gab, baby.
Yeah, the dude said that it wasn't hard. It's not like it's hard because the pedaling is easy, but you're not going nowhere. And then when you like turn the wheel, watch, I'm gonna show you. Show them how hard it is to turn. Like all of that work and not going nowhere. You can even look at mine, but it's like a forever and a day thing for you to be able to turn. It's crazy. But this is water biking. We are on a bike out here on the water. Takes forever though. There's a propeller in the back. Too much work. I'm not doing this again. Straight up, I would go kayaking in the bayou before I do that. What's up, Duck? Yeah, he moving faster than me. So right now we're currently riding over to this shade right here. We're gonna chill there for a second because it's so hot. Ride back, call it a day. I think we got our experience in. That's about it, man. It's hot, I'll tell you that much.
Nicholas is really out here struggling. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna laugh so hard if he flips over.
What?
I said I'm gonna laugh so hard if you flip over.
No, I'm trying to get there.
He broke his bike.
Huh?
He thinking he out here on a jet ski.
Right. Let's see if that works. Feel like I played a whole game of football, soccer, and baseball all at the same time out here. Barely cruising on the water. Whew. Bird's nest? I think those are bird's nests. Look up. Gabby, look straight up. Those are birds. Bro, look. Look. All right, everybody on YouTube. All right, so we're about to race. Boats are lined up. You know, we're gonna see how it goes. Place your bets now. Let us know in the comments below. Who do you think is gonna win? Who did you think was gonna win? Who?
G-Bike.
What you say?
G-Bike.
Let me see. Let me see you say it with your chest.
G-Bike.
Okay, okay. We're gonna see. So here we go. Now.
Set, go.
Bro, I promise you they be cheating. Come on. Come on. No, you're cheating. My legs are going way faster than yours. This is cheating. Cheating at its finest. Go back. Go back. No. No, I'm about to run you off the track. No, my boat's going under. No. No. I quit. I go backwards faster. Somebody's cheating. My boat's broke. Dang. That's BS. That's some BS. All right, so she won, but I'm pretty sure something's wrong with my boat. So I'm about to test it going backwards. So we're gonna race again, but this time we're going backwards. All right, hold on, slow down. We're gonna start over. All right, ready? Hold on.
Ready? Set.
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah. Ooh, you hear my boat popping? Yeah. Now who's winning? Now who's winning? I told you my boat was jacked up. Oh, no. What are you doing? No. Cheating. She cheating. She's trying to run me off the coat. No. No, I go way faster backwards. Ow.
All right, guys. So we just finished our water boating. It was awesome. Scary at first, but I took the W 2 times.
Man.
Nick didn't want the smoke.
I got nothing to say.
Make sure you like and subscribe down below.
Where?
Down below, and we out.